You can do anything you set your mind to. I'll say that. YouTube's great. You can learn a lot of cool things on there. But when you're doing coatings, you can't really watch YouTube and do it at the same time. So it'd be preferred if you have someone experienced with you if you are going to try to do that. Just from experience, you have about probably 30 minutes to do whatever you're going to do with the coating before it starts to set up. And there's a lot of time, there's a lot of effort, cleaning out the space, cleaning the floor, prepping it. And if you don't install it properly in the right time, it can lead to a lot of issues. And it's not if, it's when those issues will happen. So, and then at that point, depending on your expectations and what you want of the space, if it's not up to what you want, you may have to call a professional like us at Motor City, and we're gonna have to charge you a little bit more to remove that coating and then do the job as well. So, I'm not saying that is going to be the case, but if you don't have much experience doing it, it's a really expensive paint, and you don't have a lot of time to work with it. So, if you don't have experience, I'd probably advise against it.